If you could sit across from every family watching right now, what would you tell them?
Yeah, so that's a tough question, but um, I would speak from the heart on that one. That's what's driven me to do this. It's been the hardest thing I've ever done. It is so hard to build this product. We have no competition because so many people, and I can tell you, it's not because people haven't tried to knock us off. I can tell you, I could count 20 different companies that have tried to knock us off and then go away really quickly. It's very difficult. When you think about all of the variables that you have in your finances, interest rates, payments, terms, income, different uh, intervals in spending and income coming in and cash flow and organizing all of that and creating a strategy and a platform and an action plan and a to-do list of every day I have to do this. It is very difficult to build. We've built this product. Now we're on our sixth version, which is the hardest thing we've ever built. It is so complex. The math engines are years and years and tens of thousands of lines of code. And I mean, it's just so complex. I don't even know how. I mean, you've got escrows, there's so many variables in your finances, and there's so many changing points too. And then when things change, and look, you can try and do this on your own. And a lot of people want to solve their own problems, they really do. And a lot of people think that they can. Here's the one thing that Money Max does. It makes you smarter. It makes you understand your finances even better. It makes you understand cause and effect even more so because it's showing you cause and effect with everything you do. And it
Right.
also is very rewarding. And what I believe Money Max brings is it brings hope. It brings hope when things are bad, like, you just said, for yourself, you lost a tenant and you're
Mhm.
freaking out. Well, when you put it into Money Max and you even put, hey, look, I think I can have it rented out in maybe 3 to 6 months or whatever you think you can have it. Well, then it's not that big of a deal. And even if you just take and delete the income, you're like you're looking at it and you know what the results are. So you see reality. It's not guessing. It's mathematical certainty.
Yeah.
And it's all precision mathematics, and it's all forecasted out every single transaction. And then when you change, it updates just like a GPS that for your car when you're driving, you take a wrong exit, it recalculates and gets you back on track. Well, that's what Money Max does with your finances. And so look, if you're struggling, if you're struggling with finances, or even if you're not struggling and you want a better way, you want something that's not a 30-year plan from the bank with a monthly payment where 80% of your payment goes to interest and 20% goes to principal or even less than that, then you should look at Money Max. We do a free savings report and it will bring you hope. It'll bring, I mean, you're willing to go to school and invest in yourself in education. Money Max is the best financial education you're ever going to find in real life, real time, real life education. Use Money Max for, 6 months, a year, really use it and see how much more you know about your finances and how much more you know about cash flow and interest and all the things that really matter to you as a as a person trying to get out of debt and raise a family and build wealth and all the things that we manage and run with. But I would say Money Max brings hope. It's hope at the light at the end of the tunnel that you never saw before. Because when you see, and that's the one thing that you know I see in all of our team representing clients when they run a free savings report for them, and the client says, "Oh wow, I'm surprised." You know what I mean? that tells me they couldn't do it on their own, because if they're surprised that we could pay them off that fast, that means they didn't crunch the numbers before and they have no
Mhm.
idea, you know? And that's what we do, is we show you your true financial potential. And look, if you want to try and just do this thing on your own for a while, that's fine. We're not going to change your mind on it. But you should take the time to run a free savings report and see what it can do for you, because you're already paying that money to the bank. We're just going to help you keep some of it, and probably a lot of it. You know, most
A
of our
lot.
clients, we save them hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest. So,
I, the last few people that I have come across that said, I think I can do this on my own. I say, okay, I'm up for a challenge. I'm going to reach out to you in 3 months. And I want to see proof that in those 3 months, you took that cash flow and sent it to a debt. And so I just started this. So I've got follow up set because you said something one day, and I don't know if it was on a meeting, but you said people say they can do it on their own, but they don't. They're not, you're not disciplined enough to do it on your own. But using the money max when it's guiding you, it doesn't feel like discipline. It just feels like, oh, I got to do this and move this here and move that there. So, um,
well, and the biggest thing is, Kelly, is so like if somebody does do, an extra principal payment on their own to their mortgage, the biggest thing is, what did that do?
you don't
Well, if
know.
you don't know. I mean, if you don't have an amortization schedule, if you don't, go find an amortization schedule online, if you don't go and crunch the numbers yourself or do something on your own, you just threw money into a black hole and then you forget about it. And then 5 years
Mhm.
later, you refinance and you reset all over again, and everything that you did, yeah, maybe it helped a little bit to help pay some of the closing costs in the future, but you're just in that same rat race. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So Money Max is just a complete financial picture. Everything you do, financial education all the way through. So it's when we hold your hand to the end. You know what I mean? So
Mhm.
it's basically, and we guarantee the dashboard too. So as much as your finances are changing, we guarantee the dashboard. So if it says, 5 years, and then you buy another car and it says, 5.5 or 6 years to pay off, well, we guarantee that it's going to pay off in 6 years with that new loan that you just brought in. So it's
Right.
always forecasting on whatever you throw at it. And look, if a budget is like, well, I can't do a budget. Um, well, Money Max is like a budget is like guardrails, And I had a client say, just give her a testimonial, and she said, look, we spent more than we should have. Um, we uh, we lived and vacationed and did what we wanted, and we still paid down a
Yeah.
ton of debt. I can't remember her exact words, but she's like, this thing works. And that's what Money Max does. You don't have, it's not there's nobody over you pushing the thumb on you saying, hey, you've got to be better. You can't spend that money. No, it just tells
Mhm.
you what happens if you
If you
spend it.
don't do it,
Yeah, if you
if you
don't
go
do it,
somewhere,
it shows you cause and effect, And
that
so
that's my biggest problem, John. I'm the shopper in the family. Michael is not. I like to shop.
And look, I mean, look, Money Max doesn't stop you from shopping, right?
Mm-mm.
It
No.
doesn't. It just shows you the cause and effect of, and not only that, but if it's already in and accounted for, it doesn't even matter. It's a part of your budget. It's part of your
Yeah.
spending,
Yeah. It's part of
but
your
it
spending.
just it just wants you. And I've learned this the hard way when I was a kid and my parents losing their house. Things that are good today are not always going to be good tomorrow.
Mm-mm.
If you don't take advantage of the good times and the good days that you have now, when the bad times come, it makes it really difficult. Just like with my parents, when the bad times came, they had already blown all their money. They only had 3 months worth of mortgage payments, or maybe 6 months. I don't know. I was a young kid when that happened, but we lost our home in foreclosure because they ran out of money when things were bad. But my dad was making like 60,000 a year back in the 80s, and I think he only paid like 40 or 50,000 for the house. So,
Right.
he could have paid that house off, I know, with Money Max within a few years,
Oh,
And
for
if we would
sure.
have been, had a plan in place, something like Money Max, we wouldn't have lost our home in foreclosure.